Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I thought we would assemble the coffee carrier. So I am just going to assemble the front. I'm not going to make another cup. I am going to make one that will go with the Santa suit, and it can also go with the penguin. And I showed you that video, the last video, I believe it was yesterday. So we're not going to use these parts right here. We are only going to use the main parts. So this one I have cut out twice, and it does have score lines for you to fold your paper, your cutouts, and then it has layering pieces. So this one you cut out twice, this one you cut out twice, and this one you only need once. But since I didn't detach mine, I went ahead and cut it twice, and I will just add some strength to the bottom of the carrier with that extra piece. So here are my pieces that I have already cut out. And what we need to do first is, of course, cut them out, and then we fold on the score lines, and then this piece I glue down to this piece right here. Okay, that's the way that goes. So let us glue that together. And I don't go all the way to the score line right here on the fold because I don't want it to, you know, fuse together when I put them together here. So I'm hoping that you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me look. Okay, so I am going to put these together. I'm going to line them up and the best that I can, and just make sure that I don't go past that score line. Let me turn on another light here and just put them together that way. And it's real quick, guys. This process is so quick. So before I actually do my next, this one we're going to glue down this way, and then this one we're going to glue down this way. But before, and then this one we fold up like that. Let me burnish those because I actually folded them the wrong way. So, okay. So before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and glue my layering pieces to the front. That way I can burnish them. And you don't have to worry about it, you know, being assembled and standing it up and trying to glue it that way. So for me, you do it however you want, but for me this is easier. And there is my first layering piece. This is the other layering piece for the front. Okay. Now this is my front layering piece. I want to make sure I get it even. So just remember, you have a border that goes around all the way around. So just try to lay it down as evenly as you can without going down to the score line. You always want to leave, of course, your score lines free of any parts. Then I'm going to do this side. Okay, I have layered on my front pieces. Now I am going to glue this down. So let me glue that down first. And this one doesn't matter if it gets into that score line because we're gonna fold over that score line. So let's push that down and adhere that. Now let's do the other side. And you don't want to go over these score lines right here, guys, because those are the ones that actually fold up to hold your cup. And there is that. Okay, come our layering pieces. Now these have these little slits right here, so they go between the bottom parts of your cup holder, of your carrier. There you go. So that we don't have to worry about cutting them evenly or anything. They're all that part is already done for you. So I'm going to do that twice because I have two and I don't want to waste any of them, and it will just add strength to the bottom of your holder, of your carrier. All right guys, there is the carrier. Now all we have to do is put in our cup, and it will hold our cup right there. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. So that is how this bottom is going to hold your cup. It doesn't matter what you put in there, it's nice and sturdy. So there you go. I actually don't think that the carrier needs any kind of embellishing. I was also going to show you the negative pieces. So these are the negative pieces from the handles. So what I'm going to do is glue them together, and I'm going to make a to from tag. There is a to from tag. Let me make a hole there. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I just did the minimal work on this, and this is from the flower plate that I just released, as is the center, and this is a leaf that I had already cut out. And here is my to and from tag. I went ahead and put an eyelet in there, or on there, and there you go guys. Oh my gosh, I can see these at you know, at craft fairs, at Christmas parties, for, you know, a takeaway gift filled with your favorite candy, with whatever. And for the closure, I just cut a couple of Velcro pieces in half, and this one I can't open because I've already tied that one, but I just cut a couple of Velcro pieces, red ones, and closed it that way. You know, that way whoever gets this can reuse it if they want to. So there you go guys, really quick, simple. Of course, you know, at least for me, the funnest part about putting together a die set is the embellishing. I love the embellishing, not necessarily putting the actual item together, but the embellishing is so much fun for me. And I could have done more, but I don't want to, because I don't want to take away from the cup. You know, if you cover it too, in my opinion, if I cover it too much, it takes away from the cup, and I want that to be my focal point. All right guys, just thought I'd share a really quick how-to video with you guys, and it is done and ready to go. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot guys.